This is Elkhorn Tavern. Can't you tell? From the elkhorns on the roof. This tavern was on a major road, and also there were telegraph wires going past here at the time of the Civil War anyway. Trail of Tears also came through here. And the first battle of Pea Ridge occurred right out here. And in the first battle, the Union lost. And the Confederates kind of got a little bit of a big head and overstepped what they were really capable of handling. This is the inside of the tavern, and during the battle outside, the wounded were brought in here to be operated on by the doctor. And you can see their wonderful operating table. Happens to be a door. They took off the hook, laid it on some boxes, and he operated. This is his equipment. This is where he did amputations. This was where he pulled the balls out if he could find any of them in there. This is the thing that he used to search for the balls. He'd go in and search around for the balls. And then when he found them, this is the instrument he would use to take them out. The file was used to file down bones. This was used to cut off any sharp points. These are the medicines they had. Chloroform to knock you out, laudanum for the pain, and morphine for the pain. Nothing was changed between patients. They were just laid on the sheet and their blood was added to the rest of it. Things were not clean. Would have a bucket of water here, put a saw in the water, swish it around, and it was clean for him, and then he'd operate. And then the next guy he did the same thing with, and after 100 of them, your bucket got pretty bloody. The last battle of Pea Ridge occurred here. The cannons set up a constant barrage against the Confederates. They pulled back from the field to Elkhorn Tavern, where they surrendered. So this became a Union victory, even though at the beginning It really looked like it was going to be a Confederate victory.